Hey, it's Mr. Light. I'm here to help with moon phases. You have to be able to predict the moon phases. And before you'll ever be able to predict phases, you have to memorize them. So take notes. There's 8 phases. So draw 8 circles in a row. Next, draw a line in between the 4th and the 5th circle. Doing this is to help your brain not be overwhelmed with the information. The first phase is the new moon. It's really easy to remember because it's all dark. There's no light on it at all. That's the new moon. It starts the first set of phases. The start of the second set of phases is the full. Those two are the easiest to remember, so I always like to write them down first. Going back to the new moon, remember that after the new moon and all the way until the full moon, the light increases starting from the right until the full moon. So after the new moon, the light is on the right or comes in on the right. For example, this crescent moon is starting with its light on the right. And you'll notice as the next couple of phases progresses toward the full moon, the light increases on the right side. Once the moon is full, the light begins to go away to the left or off to the left. After the full moon, you'll see a little bit less and less of the visible light, as if it's exiting to the left. After the new moon, the light enters on the right until the full. After the full, it exits to the left until new again. And that's what helps me remember the visual aspect of the phases. The reason I put the arrows on here is to show that the phases are indeed a cycle. It repeats. You need to eventually be able to start at any phase and be able to predict what phases come before and after the current phase or the phase being presented to you. The whole cycle takes about 29 and a half days. I hope this has been helpful to you. Good luck.